The Loganholme branch currently has a very strong partnership with Logan Basketball. This is a partnership that has matching values, visions and a sense of community. The members see the importance of supporting the bank that supports them, and it was an easy decision for the board to agree to this partnership agreement due to the level of business written. From an initial investment of $5,000 3 years ago, the agreement has now reached $30,000, of which now includes the naming rights to the stadium.
So Logan Basketball was founded in 1998 with just over 200 members at Cornubia Park Sports Centre. Over the next 18 years we've grown to just under 3,000, taken over management rights of Cornubia Park Sports Centre with the help of Bendigo Bank.
To date, business written is $6.7 million, with this being a mix of business and personal lending. We have a further $2.7 million in the pipeline, and with the current levels of membership within the club, we are very confident that this is just the tip of the iceberg. This partnership has been quite successful on the back of one of my staff members. Wendy has been involved in the club for many years due to her daughter's involvement in the sport. Wendy has no hesitation in asking for the business and can be quite regularly heard saying, "We support the club that supports your child. Why isn't your home loan with us?" Luckily, Wendy has a rapport with the members and they aren't offended by this. We also meet on a regular basis to ensure that the partnership is working the way it should for both parties. The use of the corporate boxes at the QBL home games play a vital role in us being able to obtain business. It allows us to interact and socialise with other sponsors in a social setting. We've also been able to bank one of the other major sponsors with all their business and personal needs, but it hasn't stopped there. They now refer their employees to us, which is a win-win situation.
It's really pleasing that we're able to get the members of Logan Basketball on board at Bendigo Bank, not just for token accounts, they're bringing over home loans, personal loans, insurance. A lot of the staff at Logan Basketball are now referring other people, and we're also getting members referring people to us.
So the reason we're behind partnering with Bendigo Bank is the similar values. They want to be involved in the community just like Logan Basketball. We have a strong family feel. We've been involved in the community just as they have. They put on programs like Best Day Out, which was a great initiative that we had 2 of our players go in and be involved with. From their partnership perspective, it's been able to allow us to reduce our fees for our members, gain management rights at Cornubia Park Sports Centre, and also allow us to do things in the community that we normally wouldn't be able to do. So we always look at it when we promote a partnership that the things like a website, a Facebook, doing up signage, that's all stuff that should come free. It's about giving Bendigo Bank and your sponsor or partner access to your database, access to your members and to your other sponsors in an environment where they can actually reach them. The simple way we look at it is we need to bring more foot traffic into Bendigo Bank, and we need to give them more opportunities for our customers and our members to see the benefits that they bring us and the benefits that they can bring them. So another way we see as promoting Bendigo Bank is basically I lead by example for myself, so do my staff. All of my products are with Bendigo. It's an easy way to do that because then word of mouth is the greatest marketer out there. If I'm sitting there telling people how great it's been for me, then people are going to follow suit as well. Another thing we are bringing in this year is more opportunities for our actual sponsors to interconnect. So obviously our sponsors are big business, which helps the banking sector and vice versa. We want to actually see more opportunities for people to connect in a social, low-key environment where it's not always about the basketball side of things as well. So.
Trudy and Wendy at the branch have been awesome. To see them at QBL games and around Logan Basketball, watching juniors, Wendy as a parent and Trudy as a newfound basketball supporter. Piggy, the Bendigo Bank mascot, is always involved in the warm-up and getting involved with the crowd, and is a huge hit with the kids of Logan Thunder.
The future for this partnership has grown from $5,000 through to $30,000 in naming rights to the stadium. So we see that as obviously continuing, not necessarily so much the dollar value, but what more we can bring to each other. Obviously partnering with other partners and bringing more people through the door of Bendigo Bank. Working with Trudy and Wendy and the staff at Bendigo Bank has made things easy. So we obviously look at what they can bring to us and what we can bring to them.